Okay, so 3 problems here. So it says the pyramid of Cestius is located in Rome, Italy. Using the dimensions in the figure below, what is the lateral area of the pyramid of Cestius? Round to the nearest square meter. So if I'm looking for lateral area, the lateral area of your pyramids is 1/2 the perimeter of the base times the slant height. So notice here, this is a square pyramid. So the perimeter of the base will be 4 times its side length, which is 30, but then the slant height. Don't be confused. This 36.4 is the height. So notice how they have this right triangle drawn for you. You're going to use this right triangle to find your slant height L. Remember that this bottom side is half of the side length. Half of 30 equals 15. So we're going to use Pythagorean Theorem. Our L is going to be the C to find the slant height. So a squared plus b squared equals c squared. A and b do not matter. 15 squared plus 36.4 squared equals L squared. So I'm going to type this in to the graphing calculator. So we'll do that together. So 15 squared plus 36.4 squared. And that's what L squared equals. So now I have to take the square root of that number. Square root of 1549.96. And that's what I get. And I don't want to round too much right now, right? Okay, so again, when I did this, I got some number like what? Like 115. So I got like 1549. Sorry. 1549 equals L squared. I took the square root, and now I get a value of L that equals 39.39, blah, blah, blah. 39.3, blah, blah, blah. So that number is going to go right there. 39.3, blah, blah, blah. So now this is what I'll type in to my graphing calculator to be as exact as possible. It says round to the nearest square meter. So 1/2, 4 times 30 times that slant height. So I'll do that here. 1/2 times 4 times 30 times, and you'll see I'm going to copy and paste this. Copy and paste. And there we go, 2362.1. We went around to the nearest whole number, so this 1 does not round the 2 up. So 2362, and that'll be whatever the units are, 2362. So I'll scroll down. It'll be square meters, 2362, right, 2362 meters squared. Again, notice we're doing surface area, so it's meters squared again. I know we have lengths going on here, we have areas going on here, we have volumes, so try to keep it straight. Okay. All right, next problem. Okay, so it says in a chemistry lab experiment, you use a conical filter funnel shown below. Conical means cone. How much filter paper do you need to line the funnel? So again, if this is a funnel, and hope I don't know, you use the funnel. A funnel is a cone shape, but the top is empty. So we don't need to include the base. So again, this is a lateral area problem. 1/2 the perimeter of the base times the slant height. Now again, this is a cone, so the perimeter of the base is the circumference, 2 pi r times the slant height. So in this picture, 80 is the diameter. So to find the radius, take half of that. So half of 80 is 40. So I'm going to do 1/2 times 2 pi times 40. And now the dreaded slant height. Again, this 45 is the height. So we can use this right triangle here to find the slant height L. Again, this is a circle. The diameter is 80. This radius is 40. That's that part of the triangle to use in Pythagorean Theorem. And again, L is your C. A squared plus B squared equals C squared. I'll do 40 squared plus 45 squared equals L squared. We're going to square those. So I'm going to do it right here because I know they'll come out nice. It might be big, but it'll be nice. Yeah, so I got 3625 equals L squared. And now I'll take the square root of that. And for L, don't round, I got 60.2, blah, blah, blah. And I'm actually going to do that, I think, here just to have it. So the square root of 36.25. Okay, that's just how so I have it to use. Okay, so that slant height is going to go in place of the L here. So this number goes right there, 60.2, and we're going to multiply that out. 1/2 times 2 pi times 40 times that slant height. 1/2, 1/2. Sorry, 1/2. I get it. There we go. Times 2 pi times 40 times the slant height. And there we go. It says round to the nearest, I think, nearest tenth. So it says round to the nearest tenth. We're not going to do that. We're going to round to the nearest whole number. All right. So sorry about that. So the nearest whole number. So we're going to look at this 9. This 9 is going to round the 5 up to a 6. 6,566. And that'll be in millimeters squared. So again, whole number. And we got what? 7,566. 7,566. And again, that's going to be millimeters squared right there. Okay. All right, last problem here. Okay, so it says the lateral area of a cone is 4.8 inches squared. The radius is 1.2 inches. Find the slant height. Okay, so this is one of those working backwards questions. So again, it's a lateral area problem. So lateral area equals 1/2 the perimeter of the base times the slant height. They gave us, oh, it is a cone. So the lateral area will equal 1/2 the circumference 2 pi r times the slant height. They gave us the lateral area of 4.8 pi. We like that it's in terms of pi. Equals 1/2 times 2 pi times the radius times your L for your slant height. Okay, so a couple things. Pi's can cancel. The 1/2 and the 2 actually cancel as well because half of 2 is 1. And this problem is right now 4.8 equals 1.2 L. To solve this for the slant height, divide by 1.2 and 4 equals L. And your slant height is 4 inches. Notice the units because it is a length. Okay. All right, so that's all I got for you. Good luck on this homework. Ask questions if you have it.